Guys, uh, we are now here. We just went up, then flat, then we're again going uphill. So today update, we didn't find the trekking pole yet, and we find nothing on mushrooms yet. We didn't find any on the mushrooms that on the kind of mushrooms that we want to get. But of course, on the part 2 I did show you the mushrooms that are eatable for food, but like as I just said, that's not our target. Most of us people here get those kind of mushrooms when we don't have a choice, or when our appetite says so, then we will get those kind of mushrooms. I don't know if this is the way that I'm following is where I passed by. I think that's last week or last week. Don't know. A single miss of trail that I was not able to follow today would be a miss for my trekking pole, because I only walk and rely on the trekking pole, on the trail, on my trail last week or last week, because in that way, by following that trail, then that's the only way for I would successfully find my trekking pole. If there's no here and down there, then I think 100% when I reroute myself, the trail where I reroute myself, I did create my own trail down there. When I'm afraid to the place where I'm afraid to pass by, on the trail where I saw another big snake last 2023, year 2023, that I think year 2023 or last year. There's no mushrooms here, so I did went this way, then I went this way. I didn't go that way, though there's a good view there, but I'll just stick in this because I need to minimize my time also. Time management. I need a time management because of course I only have my water with me. Don't have a food. And I think I walked this way. I passed by this way, then I went down. Yeah, I went downwards. So I'll just take a picture here. I'll end the video here and take a picture and start again for part 3. Part 4, because this is a part 3. Because I think this is where I take a picture last year. and maybe this is a good place also for me to take a picture again, because I posted my picture on my old Facebook page, but today I have another Facebook page. So guys, thank you for watching, and please watch the part 4 of the video. I will end the video here because I need to take a picture, or no, I will just take a picture on my brother's cell phone. I think I will just then I'll just adjust the picture, the camera, that's so that when I take a picture it would be easy. I don't know if that's good. I will put this here. But I will just, yeah. Nope, why it's not working? I thought so. I'll just take, wait. Okay. I'll just take a picture here. Then another, because I'll just take another picture. Another picture again. So that's it. I think that's enough. Look at what did I just said. That's the way I did. I just put this cell phone here as a video, and this one here, this is the ISI camera. This is the cell phone of my brother. I just borrowed it because he has two cell phones. This cell phone, actually he has an original cell phone, but the screen, it has a black screen. His original cell phone has a black screen, so he decided to buy this cell phone. And oh, this is my this is my trekking pole here. I thought it was there in that area or down there. That's where my thought is, but I don't expect this would be here. I'll find here. Thank you. Actually, there's it's 99% no person will find it here, because it is in this area. But up there and up there, it's 50-50 because most people go those way. But of course, as I just said, there's a percentage that where they will go down here also. I didn't expect that I will just find this here. Thank you, God. I didn't expect it to be here. So I think where should I walk pass by? Because there's I think this way. But yeah, I think this way. And we will pass by on the Mosi Forest. We will try to pass by on the Mosi Forest. But yeah, going down to the Mosi Forest, I feel nervous. Don't feel nervous, but my body seems it's different. It has a sensitive way of, there's a bad sensitive of my body there. My body is shaking going down there. That's why I think it would be better to walk this way. I don't know. Most of the time when I go to the Mosi Forest area, that feeling feels like my body is shaking, really, and that's why it makes me nervous and afraid. But of course, as a trail runner, I can, during trainings, I will, and of course on my hikings, I'm also passing by in that area. Like in the part 1, I don't know if I can upload that part 1 because it's 17 minutes. I just passed by on the Mosi Forest. If it is a must, then I will pass by. But if I have a choice or another choice, then I will not pass by. Because I don't know. I feel negative. I feel my body is very sensitive. It feels there's a negative energy. And I hope you know that negative energy, what I mean by that. So this is where I went. This way, this is the trail that I'm expecting to see this in this area, going down there. But I don't know what I think I took a video last time where I've noticed that this trekking pole has been fallen down on my vest, because I'm also taking a video filming there that time, and I just noticed that my trekking pole is gone. One of my trekking poles is gone. I think in this area where I have noticed that one of my trekking pole is gone. I think this area or in that area. So guys, it's already 14 minutes again, so I will end the video and I will take a video for part 4. Because I cannot upload the part 1, I will just edit it. I will shorten it to 15 minutes or 14 minutes for me to be able to upload it. Because the only maximum time that I can upload is 15 minutes. That's the time that the YouTube has given me. So guys, I'll end here because it's already going up 15 minutes. Thank you.